if you want to divide a product of two numbers, a times b, with the third number, c, then you have to divide either the first number, but not the second one, or alternatively, divide the second number, but not the first. So how can you motivate this? Let us take the example with the figure here. So here we have 4 times 6 balls. And we want to divide them up in two categories, or we want to color them in two as purple and green. So if you divide them up equally in two parts, then we see that every other here will be green and every other will be purple. So we can divide up in any way. This represents doing like this. But an alternative way of doing it is that we instead divide each. First we take each column. There are 4 balls in each column, and we divide them up equally in two parts, or color them green and color them purple. So each column we have divided up in two parts, the green part and the purple part. And how many of these each will we get? We get 4 divided by 2, these two, and then we got 6 of them. So we see that we have 4 divided by 2, this height here, and we have to multiply by 6. So this is how many we will get coloring green. And this also the same for the purple. Alternatively, instead of dividing up each column, we can divide up each row. And we have 6 balls in each row. And if we divide up in two parts, then we get 6 divided by 2. That's 3. So we have 3 here and 3 here. And we have 4 rows. We divide up each row. So we get a contribution for 6 divided by 2 from each row. So we have 4 rows, and from each row we get a contribution of 6 divided by 2. So each part we get 4 times 6 divided by 2. So this many, the green or the purple. So in either case, this is just different ways of dividing up. They will all give the same amount, since we divide up equally in two parts. So this will have to be the same number. And we see that this is just a special case of this rule here, where A is 4, B is 6, C is 2. And of course we could choose other numbers here instead of 4, 6 and 2. So this motivates this rule of division.